Hi, Chris. My name is Caitlin from Next Level SEO OKC. You reached out to me on my post on the Home Inspectors group on Facebook. So I just wanted to shoot this video, send it to you, and really just give you some tips for your website to bring in some traffic and some potential clients. At the end of this, I'll give you my info, and if you have any more questions, I would love for you to ask. So we'll go ahead and start with your page here, and we will go through three different things: content, backlinks, and citations. And then I'll also go through how Google, ranking on Google in certain areas of Google's front page will give you some good real estate for some traffic. So the first thing I want to talk about is your content. So when I'm talking about content, I mean right here, why do I need a home inspection? I would definitely go through here and add a ton of more content there. Google really likes to see that you have 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage alone, and then 500 to 750 words on your other pages, and that would be other inspections, pricing, about, all of those pages. That way, this is how Google recognizes that you are the expert in this field for your location. So if you add some content through here, you only have between this and right here, these little tidbits, you have about 102 words. Excuse me. And so they really would like you to have 1,000 to 1,500. And then we will go to this program I use that you can get for yourself. It's called Ahrefs, Ahrefs. And this goes through and shows you the back end of your website. So right here, you normally would see a scale, and we'll see this with your competitor, but you see a scale, and this is called your DR, or domain rating. That just means how powerful your website is itself, how much traffic you bring based on some other pieces on your website. So we don't have a rating yet. We also don't have any backlinks or referring domains. Now, backlinks are small links on other people's websites, so referring domains, that when someone clicks, home inspection or new home, it would link back to your website. That's called a backlink. Those are very powerful in Google's eyes. And then organic keywords, these are specific words that people are typing into Google to find you, to find your services or find a company that could help them. And so this is, the words that you have on your website. And you don't have a whole lot of words. It'll give you a few metrics here. Volume, how many people per month are searching this category. And then your KD is your keyword difficulty. That's how difficult it is to compete with other companies with this phrase or this wording. Traffic is how many customers you're getting from the ones that search, which means they actually click on to send you an email or they click and call you for your services. Position is what position you are on Google. So the front page has 10 positions. So ideally, if you can start off in being that 1 through 10 position, you're okay for that specific keyword. You really want to get between 1 and 3 or 1 and 5. It just depends on your business. So the next thing I'll talk about is landing for Google. So I just typed in home inspection Tennessee because I know that exactly where you are, Chapel Hill, is a little smaller from my research. And so when I research Tennessee, it pulls up a lot of different little areas. So when I do that, it pulls up right here what we call the Google Map Pack. And I'm sure you see this if you search for restaurants or sushi near you, it will pull up a Google Map Pack. And this is really when you register for a Google My Business account. So you get a Google account. Excuse me, allergies are getting me. You get a Google account and you register your business with Google. You'll then get a postcard with a code. You enter that code into your account, and now you are registered for a Google My Business with them. Once you do that, you can enter a lot of different stuff, and we'll get into that next, called citations. But once you do that, then you're within this top 3, and that's really where you want to be. You want to have directions, website, and a phone number icon here because people can just hit that button and call you. Statistics say that you have a much higher chance 90% higher of getting leads if you're in this area, and if your customer or your potential customer can get to you between 1 and 3 clicks. The next part I want to talk about are all these listings down here. Now, some of these are going to be questions or blogs or articles. So how to become a licensed home inspector in Tennessee, licensing program. Usually businesses will start to fall here. Now, the first one that I really saw that wasn't a licensing site was Tennessee Home Inspectors. This is your organic listing. So what I just talked about with keywords, content, and backlinks, that's what will help you get to this organic, excuse me, my alarm, will help you get to this organic area. And really the biggest idea or the biggest win would be here on Google Map Pack and to be down here organically. So we're going to go ahead and click them, and this is their front page. Now I'll kind of walk you through how much content they have. Your layout really isn't that bad, but you can see some differences here. They have different little sections and bars. Now with all this content that they only have about 376 words. So again, not that much, not even close to the 1,000 to 1,500. So they would be pretty quick to beat out. Now if we go to their back area, see right here we do have a domain rating of 23, which is pretty good. Then they have 5,000 backlinks on 48 domains, and they have 188 keywords. Now with 188 keywords, they're using Nashville home inspectors. 200 people are searching per month. It's pretty difficult to grab onto that, but not bad at all. I've seen much higher. They get 24 people per the 200 that search for them because they're position number 2 on Google. So again, these wouldn't be too hard to beat out. It would take a little bit of time because of this KD score here, but we can beat them out pretty quick or pretty consistently once we get you ranked up there. All right, last thing I'm going to talk about, I know this video is a little bit long, are your citations. So citations are what we talked about, how you can get to this area here. So you pretty much enter your NAP, name, address, and phone number into what we call online white pages, and those create citations. So citations will rank up your Google Map Pack rating. Right now you guys have 10 citations, and they have 40 citations. That's what's bringing them a little bit of their power. But honestly, this is one of the big things I work on weekly with my clients is your citations. So you really, after 6 months, want to have 350 to 500 citations. Not all of them are equal. So I have some sites that are ranking extremely high but have 200 citations. And I have some that are ranking lower than them that have 400 citations. So it just depends on which ones we can get that work for your area and your niche. Okay, well that is all I have for you. I really would love to hear from you if you have any questions, any feedback. My number is 405-627-2693. And my email is Caitlin at nextlevelseo-okc.com. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.